Are you looking to turn your skills into a steady income stream, whether you are a graphic designer or writer? Fiverr offers a platform to monetize your talent. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own rates, and getting paid to do what you love. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to get started on Fiverr and start making money today. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Fiverr.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. Here we have Fiverr affiliates, products. You can select the one you want: Marketplace, Fiverr Pro, Logo Maker. We have your chart program, resources, Hub Center, Join Now, and Dashboard Login. If you also become a Fiverr affiliate, join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world-class freelance talent. All you have to do is click over Join Now to start your inscriptions or your sign up. Then let's know first other information about Fiverr. Here we have Me Too products. Affiliates can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products. We have here Fiverr Pro, Logo Maker. All you have to do is read all of that to know and to more understand. Here we have our partners on first. Enjoy an instant commission ranging from 25 100% to 100% of the customer's first order, and a 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. First, we have a marketplace, gigs, pro services, logo maker. As you can see, was largest. You can just read this information. Here we have everything you need to succeed. We provide our partners with top tier resources, infrastructures, and support. Missing something, reach out and you'll get it. Here we have Join Now. We have also marketing tools, personal support, intuitive dashboard, a wide range of offer. And here we have other question: are you Fiverr affiliate material? Here is what we are looking for. First, we have here content creators, digital entrepreneurs, solution providers, online educators, marketers, agencies. Also, you can just read that. Then we have here other questions. Fakes. We've gathered some of the most asked questions about our Fiverr affiliate program. What is the Fiverr affiliate program? This is the answer here. How do I promote Fiverr? Do I need to reach a threshold before I get paid? How often are commissions paid? What does a Fiverr affiliate link look like? And other information, as you can see. So let's go back to the top to sign up. So first of all you have to do is click over Join Now. As you can see, this is the home page of you want to sign up. We'll have English, you can choose language you want, commission plan, supports, have here how to start gates, other fake or other questions. We have here forum, Fiverr guides, and we have also resources, marketing tools, affiliate store, okay, expert, log. You can log in if you have an account. Then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is write your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type. Then so here we have private company. You have a main source of traffic. You can just respond by yes or no. Then we have here you can choose your country. As you can see, there are various things. Then we have here language. You can choose the language you want. Choose English, as you can see. Also we have your Skype. Then you click over next. So this is the home page. If you want to earn commission, we have your dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postbacks, have affiliates, commission plan, and affiliate store. Right now all you have to do, go to marketing tools and click on default and deep links. As you can see, so if you want to send someone to this affiliate link, it's going to send them straight to Fiverr to sign up to Fiverr platforms. Now that's okay, but if you want to promote some specific offer and some specific service for Fiverr, then you would find that services. Let's choose for example video editing. As you can see, You search for video editing, you find the video editing service that you really like and you think is followable. Let's choose, for example, this one, as you can see. Then you click and put on share, as you can see here. Then you click over copy link. As you do that, you would go back to your affiliate account and then simply you click over the link and you paste the link. As you can see, once you click that's going to give you special affiliate links for the offer in particular, and now when someone clicks on your affiliate link they will be sent to this service from which you earn commission if they invest in the service. But even if they don't buy the service and they go to something else, you will still earn commission because they use your affiliate link to sign up. Now let's talk about how to share affiliate links on social media. First we have here Quora. As you can see, all you have to do right now is search about something. Let's choose video editing because we choose video editing first. So here we have a various questions about video editing. All you have to do is respond then about these questions. Then if someone asks about details, all you have to do is share with them your links and tell them that it's very helpful and useful. It's a video explain how to use video editing. So let's wait in. Then you can use also Reddit. All you have to do is type into reddit.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, all you have to do is find a lot of subreddits related to the services that you are promoting. And again, video editing has just one of the kind of services that you can promote. There's literally all sorts of different things, including programming, graphic, digital, video, writing, music, business consulting, and other things. Then create affiliate links for each and they then find people that are interested in this different subreddit and supply. Start promoting your links. Don't be spammy, but provide some value, answer questions, and at the end you can say, hey, this one that I use. If you want to check it out, here is a link. That's how you can potentially approach this. So using social media on Fiverr can significantly boost your freelance career by increasing visibility, building a personal brand, and attracting clients like Reddit and Quora. Also, you can use Facebook by creating a business page to share your Fiverr gigs, client testimonial, and updates, or share with groups. So Fiverr is a versatile online marketplace offering freelance services across various fields, including graphic design, writing, programming, and digital marketing. It connects businesses and individuals with freelancers who can provide specialized services quickly and affordably. By leveraging Fiverr, users can access a vast pool of talent to complete projects efficiently, making it an excellent resource for outsourcing tasks and finding skilled professionals for short-term or long-term collaborations. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.